If the Google Play Store is not working in LDPlayer, like not opening, crashing, or stuck loading, yeah, that's a pretty common issue. The good news is you can usually fix it in just a few steps. First, check your internet connection. I mean, if your network is unstable, the Play Store won't load or download anything. Next, go to Android settings. Inside LDPlayer, open apps, then Google Play Store, and clear cache and data. Corrupted cache is one of the main reasons the Play Store stops working. After that, do the same for Google Play services. Yeah, both of these need to work together, and clearing them can fix most issues. Now, restart LDPlayer and open the Play Store again. So a simple restart often applies the fixes right away. If it's still not working, check your date and time settings inside LDPlayer. Incorrect time settings can prevent the Play Store from connecting. You should also update LDPlayer to the latest version. I mean, if the issue continues, reinstalling LDPlayer can fix deeper system problems. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the Google Play Store in LDPlayer and get everything working normally again.